Can you explain the relationship between the method I developed and the network? It's great that you're seeking clarification from me. After many interventions, we discovered a direct link between body learning and exercise based on numerous learnings. In most cases of religious and relaxation assassination, learning connects body, training, and exercise. In addition, we work on missions and thoughts. Learning improves balance, mindset, and hormone distribution. To achieve success in every mission, I invite you to join the thousands of men from all corners of the world who have tried the method and are now reporting incredible and astonishing results. The method has 3 trademarks and a patent indicating the effectiveness of the method. Take care of yourself.